Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making apple muffins for the holiday. Here we go. Okay my friends, for the apple muffins we're going to add some flour, cinnamon, I have some nutmeg, I got some apples red and delicious again, we have some butter. I'm going to be using oat milk actually my friends, and not cow's milk. I'm going to be using some eggs, sugar, and basically that's it to make our apple muffins. Let's get started. Okay my friends, I have all my dry ingredients in this sieve, so I'm just gonna sift my dry ingredients and it's all here. Nice. I'm just going to mix it up until it's well combined. Oops. Okay, now I'm just going to make a hole in the middle and I'm going to add all my wet ingredients. Don't worry, I'm going to put the recipe below so that you can follow. And I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to put in my melted butter. Oh, I'm also going to put my oat milk in right in the middle. And then I'm going to add some vanilla because I love vanilla in cakes, in this recipe. Okay, so let me just grab my handy dandy mixer. And I got it right here, and let's mix this up. It's a little bit thick, but that's how you want it, my friends. I'm just gonna scrape it around. And this apple muffin is a quick and easy recipe, and it's just a good tasting muffin to have for your breakfast or to bring for lunch or something. It's really nice. Okay, so all of our wet ingredients and dry ingredients are well combined in here. I'm just gonna mix it one more time, get it all, scrape it down, make it nice. I'm gonna show you how nice and gummy this looks. There it is. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so now that this is combined, and let's just make sure all that stuff going. I'm gonna grab my apples, and I've washed, peel, and cut up my apples. Okay, I'm going to put a link below to my apple cake, and you just go make yourself some apple goods. You know, bake with the apple, do your stuff with the apple. I will also put a link to the apple sauce that I've made. This is just delicious. Okay, and that's only 2 apples that I use, and I said I will put a link below to this recipe. And there it is, my friends, all nicely combined. Let me just get my tray. Oh yeah, nice and gummy. That's how I like it. Okay, I got my muffin tins here, my friends, all prepared and ready to go. And I also have a ice cream scoop to scoop it out with. Okay, so then you just load up your muffin cups with some of this wonderfulness. Now my friends, oh, aren't these brilliant? These are parchment paper muffin cups. I'm gonna show you the box actually, and here's the box, my friends. Parchment paper. I think this is just a incredible a good find, and I think that was from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm gonna load up my muffin cups with this deliciousness. Get it in there, get them nice and big. This is going to be delicious, my friends. And this is just a great recipe, as I told you before, and just a nice activity to do if you're cooking with kids, you know, to make some nice apple muffins. You know, get them to do the muffins, my friends. Get them to cut up the apples. And oh, so here we go. I have 6 here, nice and ready to go. Now I'm going to actually add some raisins to this, my friends, because you know me, I love my raisins. So I'm going to put some raisins in this so I can have some nice raisins. And these are golden raisins. Oh, I think I'm going to add some more because I love raisins in muffins. I'm going to mix this around, get the raisins all plumped in, and yeah, okay, so let's continue filling up my tray. Okay, and I also have the oven already preheated, and it's at 400 degrees, and then we're going to bake this for about 25 minutes, and we should have some nice delicious muffins. Easy recipe, as I told you guys. Very easy recipe. And this makes about 12 muffin, you know, nice size muffins. Okay, let's just scrape that in, get all that goodness out of there. Oh yeah, baby. It's a great way to use up apples. If your apple fridge life is coming to an end, my friends, use it, chop it up, and make some muffins, right? So here they are, nice and ready. I am going to put this in the oven at 400 for 25 minutes. Here we go. I'll be right back. My apple muffins are ready. You can see the muffin pieces all the way through, my friends. And of course the ones with the raisins, wonderful. It is so yummy. It's still a little bit hot. I'm gonna add some butter to this, and then I am going to eat it with a nice perfect cup of tea. Thank you for watching, my friends, and remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.